Jesus Christ, as the true vine, is requesting our families to glorify the Father by abiding in Him and bearing much fruits.
Our families will flourish, and success follows everything we do.
We are blessed on every
Our
side.
families will flourish,
Everywhere we go,
and success follows everything we do.
we must humbly come to you in a brokenness, Lord Jesus Christ. As a tree of life, a productive tree for excellency.
Our families will flourish,
In your business,
success follows everything we do.
blessings will follow you.
Our families will flourish,
Oh, oh, oh,
and success
oh.
follows
Everything we do.
Anyị ji okwukwe wee tinye ezinụlọ anyị n'osisi na-enye ndụ. Anyị ji ezi obi wee kwenye n'ịbụ chi, n'ịbụ ezi osisi na-agba ọrịa, n'ịbụ oke osisi na-enye ndụ, n'ịbụ ezi osisi na-eche ndụ. Anyị bụrụ ụzọ maka gị.
Our families will flourish,
Everywhere we
success
go,
follows everything we do.
everything we do,
Our families will flourish,
and success will
and success
follow.
follows everything we do.
Jesus Christ is the true vine. There are challenges and lack of peace in our families because we've detached ourselves from the true vine. If we wish to restore tranquility and harmony in our families, we need to go back to the root, which is Jesus Christ. Through Him, with Him, and in Him, we will bear much rich and lasting fruits.
And success follows everything we do. When we prosper in the cause of our God, we will always bear fruits, which bear proper sin of God's spirit.